Uyazi wena, I bet you are a star e-Africa. Ongakuboni lokho awubandla isono lesi. Lalela, lingashona namhlanje singahlangananga in the river. Phela wena, you are the queen, ungenza ngizizwe njengo-Mr. Bean uyangi-animator. Ngenza isithembiso-ke kutatakho ukuthi ngizokhipha sonke isibaya sakogatsheni ngoba wena inhliziyo yami uyinqobile. Napho-ke sebede ngishaye ngomzansi magic ku-Africa magic idliso. Angikhathali, phela mina ngikufihli, mina nawe siyajola 99 and we only have one magic, which is uthando. Nesithembu ngiyasibona kodwa kwamanje akwesifocus on our perfect wedding. Phela ngifuna kube sengathi umzansi owethu, kube sengathi babuka umzansi kubhayisikopo ozimele. Sengimtshelile-ke nomamezala wakho and she can't wait ukuthi sibe nabazukulu sibaqambe uthando noxolo bese sibe umndeni. Angini phela you won't only be dating me but you also have to date my family. Ngizwile nge-ex yakho uMax ukuthi sifuna ama-love back boma one night with my ex. Kodwa ufelani mntana womuntu? I just can't wait for our traditional wedding. Lapho-ke ngizobiza ama-idols bazosiculela with their amazing voices. Ebese siyoqasha kwamama uClady seGomora. Ngikubonisa igoli inkosi boma Rockville boma Deep City ngikuculele ingoma zikaRingo. Uyazi kumnandi emhlabeni. Sithando. Sengikhathele mina abantu bengenzi i-home ground. Nomfowethu usuke hostel ephethe ucela empezofuna lo muzi athi ifalaka. Uyakhohlwa ukuthi phela nami kukithi la. uMax ungitshela ukuthi wena bewuchazwa ivavavumo kaDamdam, hayi bomna kwethu. Sesikhipha ama-files njalo. Ucabanga ukuthi I'm ready to quit. Angikhathalike noma bangathini, phela wena uyisithufuza sami. I-whole package yami ufana ne-DS uphethe yonke into. And we have to show Max ukuthi mina nawe simoja love and umphakathi uwufakazi. Anyway, will you marry me now?